up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I got some friend mail. Yay! So my girl Jean sent me a package to my P.O. box. I definitely was not expecting it, and I'm super excited to open it. And I'm also going to have a giveaway in this video. So without further ado, let's see what super fun things Jean sent to me. Okay, guys, so woo! Here's my package from Jean. I'm so excited. And on the back here it says, "Your Flamazing Pinky Jean." How fun. Look at that. She loves pink. My girl Jean loves pink. So let's see what super fun things are in this little package here, or super fun thing. I don't know. I don't know what to expect, guys. I have no idea. This is so fun, right? Okay, let's open this up. Ooh. Amber, just letting you know I'm thinking of you. Love all your shoe and DIY videos. Just me, Jean. Well, thank you, Jean. It says, thank you. Your support of my channel is so amazing, and I appreciate you. How fun is that? You know, I should make myself some custom cards. I make custom everything else, so, you know, I should make myself some custom cards like this. Jean is a very crafty person as well, and I love watching her make things. She likes to crochet or knit. I'm not really sure which one it's called, but she can probably do both, I'm sure, but she is masterful at it, and I love watching her when she does her DIY videos. But she does some other DIY stuff too, which is super fun. So she's another crafty gal. All right, let me set this aside. And oh, how cute! Little cow stickers. This one is eating pizza. Stop it. That is too cute. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I love it. And then I have this one here. It's a standard black and white Holstein. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so super cute, guys. I love cows. My entire house at one time was decked out in nothing but cow stuff, including my living room. I had cow furniture. I'm not even kidding. I don't know if I saw pictures of that. If I do, maybe I'll show them to you guys one day, but I definitely am not digging for those now. Let's see. Ooh, I want to do that last because there's a shirt in here, guys. Oh my gosh, check out these stickers. Yes, I don't have these ones, and they are so super awesome. It's Justice League stickers, guys. Check them out. I'm sorry, I'm looking at them and not showing them to you. I love stickers, you guys. I'm actually working on a DIY right now where I'm using some stickers, and it's looking pretty awesome. So I'm super excited to have more, and I definitely don't have any that look like this, so that is super fun. Oh, yay! Some Wonder Woman ones. Guys, my Wonder Woman section is going to be so incredibly decked out because I do have plenty of Wonder Woman to make it look amazing. Look at that, guys. They're 3D though. Check that out. So many fun things I can do with these. I'm definitely going to have this for you guys in upcoming videos. I have so many plans, you guys, but I'm also working on some really heavy duty house projects, so that's kind of what's preventing me from keeping up with my schedule. But as soon as I get the house projects done, you know, I have a lot of time on my hands, but then I might start another project, who knows. At any rate, what is this? Device decals. Oh, these are so fun. Ooh, look at, oh, can I, okay, hold on. Here they are, guys. This is what this is. All right, so I'm gonna open this up though because I'm kind of curious to see what decals are in here, so just bear with me because I really want to see which ones you get. If I can open this, because I like to preserve packaging because I'm a DIYer, guys, and I am a sustainable DIYer. So if I can use packaging for stuff, I do just that. This is giving me a hard time though, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't want to waste everybody's time, so I'm just going to cut the very end of it because seriously, it's giving me like major grief here. I don't know why, but I don't want to cut anything that's inside this package here either. So they sealed it a little too good, or I opened it the wrong way. One of the two things happened. Really not sure which is which. But I didn't cut anything, so that's exciting. All right, let's open these up, guys. I really want to see what is in here. Oh my gosh, I ripped that top of it. Good Lord. Ooh! That was worth it though. How fun are these? So there's Black Widow, Iron Man, Black Panther, and Captain America on this one. Check them out, you guys. Wowzers! I could definitely do some really fun things with these, and I'm super excited to have them. And then this one is just a bunch of different peeps. So here you go. Here's all the peeps there. That is awesome. Super stoked. And then we have the Thor. Yeah, I love Thor. Oh my gosh, this Marvel one is gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Can I turn this so you guys can see? Okay, there we go. I think that will be the right way. I sure hope so, because it's wrong for me. It should be right for you, I think. I don't know. All right, awesome. So that is super cool. And there's one more thing in here, guys. Oh my gosh. What do we have? Da, 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 da. Oh, it has Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, and the Hulk. How cute is that, you guys? Look at that. So this looks like this would fit my son. I don't think this is for me. Am I right, Jean? I'm pretty sure. It definitely looks like it would fit my son. It's a size 7-8. And I think that's for children. So yay! Look how cute that is! So my son will get this shirt. This is so cute. That's definitely the size that he's in right now. So this will fit him quite great. I don't think... like I want to squeeze into it, but it will definitely fit my son. So that's super fun. Thank you, Jean. You didn't have to send me anything, but I'm so happy that you did. I love everything. Super excited to use it. Okay, guys. So because my girl Jean is working on rebuilding her channel because she had something very unfortunate happen to her other channel, so she lost it. So she's working on building it back up, and I just kind of want to help her any way that I can. Now, I know most people don't watch friend mail. Well, not a lot of people watch friend mail videos, but for those of you that do, the few of you that might watch this video, you're going to have a shot at a giveaway. So here's what I'm giving away, guys. First and foremost, let's go ahead and go over the rules really quick. So YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me, and I'm using items that I've purchased with my own hard-earned money. Number 2, you have to live in the United States or have a United States postal address. This will not be open internationally. And of course, you must be 18 years or older. And the other requirement is that you have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to be subscribed to Jean's channel, Pinky Jean. And on top of that, you're going to have to leave a comment in my video and a comment on one of her videos. I'm going to go over that later after I go over what I'm giving away. But I will have a full set of rules in my description box below. Please make sure that you check that out prior to entering this giveaway. All right, guys, let's jump into the super fun stuff that I'm giving away this time. What's it going to be? What should I start with? I actually forgot what I was, giving away. Awesome. All right, let's start super small. You're going to get this super cute keychain. It's like a little puffball keychain. It's super cute, super fun. So I'm going to throw that in, okay? And then you're also going to get these Modessa snap hair clips. They're just in very neutral colors. They're black, like a goldish color, and then the brown, but I wear these all the time, so I love them, and that's why I'm including them in the giveaway, because I think other people might like them too. I'm also going to include this, I don't know, it's a headband of some sort. It's super cute. I got it in my Diva Bag by Sonia haul that I just recently did, so I'm going to go ahead and include this because I definitely won't wear it. It's like that on the back there, so that's what that looks like. Okay, so then I'm also going to include this set of Luxie brushes. It's a 3-piece set, and I don't even know what the brushes are for, but here you go. You're going to get the brushes, and of course they come in this little case. So I love Luxie brushes, but when I got this one, I was thinking that they were different brushes than what I see here, so I really don't want them, so I'm going to go ahead and pass them off to you guys. Okay, the other thing you're going to get is this Wonder Beauty Wondrous Escape Palette. Ooh, let's see, there you go. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to open this box at all because I already have one, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the one that I already have. Here's the one that I'm using. You're going to get a brand new one, but it does have a mirror, so let's cover that up. I'm going to blind you. But here's what the palette looks like, and as you can see, I've already used it. I really do like this palette. I think it is really fun to work with, and I like it a lot as far as the formula goes. It seems to go on really well. So someone is going to get this palette, and I'm also going to include this little bag here. It's by Item. Doesn't this look super spring? How fun is that, you guys? It's a really cute, I mean, it's a little bag. It can be a makeup bag, or it can just be whatever you want it to be, really, because it is really cute, and you could just carry it around like that. But I'm pretty sure it's intended to be a makeup bag, but you're also going to get that. Now, to make this even more worth it, because I'm going to make you guys work a little bit to enter this giveaway, I'm also giving away a 6-month subscription to Earfleek. So, Earfleek is a subscription where you get a pair of of earrings each and every single month. On average, they say the earrings cost $14.99, but honestly, guys, I really don't believe that, but it's still super fun to do. So they have 4 different categories for their earrings. I'm going to let you guys go ahead and pick which category that you want me to get your subscription for. It will be a 6-month subscription that will not renew. You're going to get it for 6 months and that's it. If you guys want to keep getting it, then you're going to have to get it on your own, but I'll pay for the first 6 months. Okay, so what you guys need to do to enter this giveaway, first and foremost, you're going to need to make sure that you leave a comment on my video with the word pink. So it's the color pink. But Jean loves pink, so you're going to need to use the word pink in your comment below, P-I-N-K, in my video. I also want you to jump over to Jean's channel, and she has a video that she recently did where she unboxed some things that I sent to her. I want you to go over to that video, watch the video, and I want you to leave a nice comment for Jean and make sure that you're subscribed to her channel as well. So what I'm going to be checking for is to see if you put the word pink in your comment below in my video, and then after that, I'm going to make sure that you commented on the video that I'm going to leave a link to below where Gina's unboxing some things that I gave to her. And make sure that you are subscribed to Jean's channel and my channel. Hey guys, I'm going to pop in here and interrupt myself at some point because I totally forgot to tell you how long this giveaway is going to run for. So this giveaway is going to run from today, April 24th, all the way through May 7th, and I will be announcing the winner on May 8th. So again, that is April 24th through May 7th, and I will be announcing the winner on May 8th. Let's go ahead and jump into whatever the heck I was talking about. So those are all the requirements to enter this giveaway. I know it sounds like a lot, but really it's not a lot. So I'm just trying to help Jean out, and I know that you guys will love watching her just as much as I do. She has a wonderful channel. She does all kinds of super fun stuff, super fun things on there. I can't even talk today, but I can't cut any of this out because like I did a live unboxing, so I can't really cut any of this out. Nonetheless, Jean has a lot of super fun stuff going on her channel. I really love watching her, and I watch her every chance that I get, and I hope that you guys will love her as much as I do. So go ahead, jump over to Jean's channel right after you're done watching this video, and like I said, make sure that you check out the full set of rules that I have in my description box below. Alright guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Thank you, Jean. I really appreciate you taking the time to send me these wonderful things, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some friend mail. Yay! So my girl Jean sent me a package. Try it again. Wow. And because I have so many things to give away, and because I want to help my girl Jean out grow her channel, I am going to... No, that didn't make sense.